Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how easy it is to personalize your laptop. Today I'm going to use my Apple MacBook Air. I recently had took off the old vinyl I had on there. I had created a super cute Mickey Mouse. I think I did a video way back there somewhere. It was about 2 years ago. I will be uploading a video very soon showing you guys how to remove the vinyl, so just stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to show you guys how to apply the vinyl. As you can see here, I'm weeding it using my Cricut Bright Pad. It really does help with things like this. You can see how intricate this is, and it really does help to see where you're going. This pattern, I'll leave it linked down below, is from Cricut, and I believe it's by Natalie. I can't think of the name right off the top of my head, but like I said, I'll have it linked down below. So let's go ahead and get started. When I apply my vinyl stickers to my laptop, I like to do it in this direction. So you can see my Apple is face up, so is my paw print. So that way when I open my laptop like this, it'll be straight up. If not, when you do that, it's going to be upside down. So it looks straight to you if you were looking at it, but it would be upside down. So I recommend putting it straight up this way. I did mine big enough so I had just a little bit of room on the top. So what I did was 7.75 high, and then it was just about 8 point something wide. But I was just more concerned on the height. Let's go ahead and pick this up with some transfer tape and get it on here. I love to use clear contact paper from the Dollar Tree. It's the easiest by far that I have found. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and slowly get this down, working out nice and slowly, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to take my XL scraper tool and rub this in. You want to use a lint-free cloth and some alcohol. I keep alcohol in a spray bottle like this. This is a Tim Holtz one. You could simply get one from the Dollar Tree. I keep alcohol in a spray bottle like that. And then you just want to wipe this off really good. That way there's no oils from your hand and it'll last a long, long time. Alright, so I'm going to peel this up, flip it over, and then I like to just roll my backing off like this. Now that we've got this on the transfer sheet, what I like to do first is I'm going to hover over this and kind of figure out where I feel like the center is. Once I've got that, I could go ahead and drop it down, just like so. Alright, just like that. Now, I think I'm going to come in and I'm going to remove any stickers that are sitting on top of my Apple, so I'm not going to push those down real hard. But if you wanted to, you could. So now I'm just taking my XL scraper. I love this one because it's got a, it's kind of flexible. So I'm going to go ahead and just rub this out. Now all you have to do is take a corner, and I just hold it at an angle and start pulling. This is what it looks like. Super cute. And so you can leave it on your Apple, but if you decided you wanted to take it off of your Apple like I'm going to, like I said, I didn't push down hard. Take my Cricut tweezers, these thicker ones like this, and I'm just going to go in and peel those back off. It super cute. Now, if you know exactly where you're going to place that, you could always just weed those out, but the odds of getting that perfect is really hard, and they're really easy to pull off. Just don't give that any pressure in that area, and it's good to go. This will last you a long, long time. I just took off a Mickey Mouse and some old stickers that I've had on there for around 2 years, so it will stay on for a long, long time, but I decided I want to switch it up and do something different. And like I said, there's that pattern. I'm going to bring it in so you can see a little bit of that floral. It's really cute, and that is the puppy paw, so you can see it when I bring it back out. And like I said, it started out this image here. It's really, really cute. A ton of fun, so it's really easy to, it's super easy to personalize your laptop. And like I said, it'll last a long, long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.